All right, today it's not heavy. It's real lightweight, so you can put it on any kind of environment that you have. If you have drywall, make sure you have the proper drywall mounts. Basically, this is the main thing that you're gonna have to mount, and then it has live and neutral, of course, if you guys can see, and it has an LED light in the bottom of it, so it's also replaceable. And this is magnet, all right? You can remove it, move it around, or disconnect it and replace with a new LED light. Now, they do give you the actual cover. They give you all the propellers, including the screws that you're going to require. So prior to setting up, make sure you ground it on the floor and you set up the propellers prior to setting up on the top. Now, when you're going to set it up, you can also hang it here, so it won't be too heavy for you, easy to set up. And of course, they give you the ground in here included, right? So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it looks. All right, if you guys can see, we're gonna turn off all the devices in here so it could bleed dark. This is the fan right now. The fan is very small, petite, has 5 propellers. We had to run in line because we don't have anything above us or in the ceiling. The ceiling's too short for the attic. So, all right, this is level 1 right now. If you guys can see, we're gonna go level 6. On level 6, you're gonna feel it. All right, let's take a look at the control. We're going to change the lights settings, right? In the light settings, we have a couple modes, if you guys can see that. That's 1, 2, 3, and it goes to 4, and then back to normal. So we're going to put it on this one right now. Actually, this one right there. And then we got our fan speeds here, 1 through 6. Wave fan, fan off. You could do 2 hours. You could do lower. If you want to like sleep with your light on, you could just dim it down if you want. Change it back to the case. You could lower it down. You could dim it down by holding the button. You could dim it down just by holding the button. And then you could raise it back up to 100%. Fan, you could do reverse or forward. You different levels. And in fact, let's go back in here, change the levels of the. We're gonna do fan on. You could do on light, and all on off, and fan and light together. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.